So, to begin with, I'd like to present a small video which talks about what our club does. May I request them to please play the video?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನಿತಾ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಲ್ಬಕಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೀತಾ ಅಂತ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪುರುಷಾಮಯ್ಯ.
ನನ್ನ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಅಂತ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಂಜುಂಡ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಣ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿನುತಾ ಅಂತ.
ಈ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 2019 ಇಂದ ಇತ್ತು.
ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸುಸ್ತಾಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು 1.5 ಮಂತ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗು ಸಹ ನನಗೆ, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗಳು.
ಒಡ್ಡಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ರೈತ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಮೊದಲು ಥರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗಿಂತ ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
It's almost 2 months and I've recovered so much and I'm feeling so much better. Life has really changed. My whole family is happy and because my recovery has been like very fast.
ಯಾವ ಭಯಪಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕಾರಣರಾದ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್.
ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ರೀ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್.
Hello, my name is Lieutenant Himali Ajmera and I am a member of Rotary Club of Organ Donation, Rotary District 3234. Our club has launched the Lift Up project to provide free renal transplants to economically disadvantaged women and children, thus giving them a second chance at life. On behalf of my club, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Rotary Foundation for the global grant and to our district for their unwavering support. A special thank you, of course, goes to all stakeholders for saving precious lives. As a Rotarian, you too can make a difference. Educate yourself and help us promote awareness about organ donation. Pledge your organs and encourage your family and friends to do the same. Together, let us ensure that no one dies waiting for an organ. Thank you.
My name is Anil. I'm a kidney donor. I gave it to my brother 10 years ago. And when I did so, I found out that this is going to be a big Herculean task to get other people to step up and be comfortable with it. So I got Rotary involved. And now I'm on a mission called Uniting Rotary for Organ Donation. I've spoken to over 1,000 clubs. And we've got some momentum where we together can build a world where no one dies waiting for an organ. So I hope you take on this project in your club.
Thank you. You can stop that. Thank you so much. I just want to talk to you about why did I join the Rotary Club of Organ Donation. It actually dates back to 30 to 35 years back when I was invited Tanker Kidney Foundation, started by Dr. Georgie Abraham. And he talked about the kidney disease and dialysis. At the moment, Tanker Kidney Foundation gives around 9,000 dialysis a month. And soon after that, I also met Dr. Sunil Shroff, who started Mohan Foundation. And he again talked about organ donation in a very large way from 1997. So it's way back. And I became one of the first organ donor. So I started holding this organ donor, card with me. And when Anil Srivatsa talked to me about this club, I felt Rotary is the right place. So let me say a few words about our club, what we do. There are two major initiatives. One is the Organ Donation Awareness Initiative and the Lift Up Project. The Rotary Foundation's global signature, it's our signature project, the Rotary Foundation's global grant Lift Up Project. This is the first of its kind project on organ donation in the world. While awareness is definitely a very crucial step, action is what truly saves lives. So the Lift Up Project is our action project. It's an initiative aptly named for life-increasing funded transplants for the underprivileged. Kidney disease, as all of you are aware, is a silent killer in India, with many patients unable to afford life-saving transplants which they desperately need. Even when they have a willing donor, the high cost of treatment force many into financial hardships and years of dialysis with very little hope. In response to this pressing issue, the Lift Up project, approved by the Rotary Foundation's global grant, has provided a lifeline. 8 economically disadvantaged women in India have received free kidney transplants at Manipal Hospital at Hebal. These transplants, backed by legally approved donors, include 3 years of follow-up care, subsidized medication, and guidance on accessing the government aids that are available from different schemes. So this project bridges the critical financial gaps, transforming lives and restoring hope to families who once thought that they have no options or no future. So this is our very, very important project, but we followed it up with another project called YODA. And this is the Youth Organ Donation Awareness, because the future generation needs to understand what we need. And I was really happy to hear Rotractor Shashi Kumar speak. I mean, he spoke with so much of enthusiasm. I feel that the young youth are the ones who are going to take this country forward in every way. Seriously. You know, our club is a very young club, consisting of 32 members. We are just 3 years old, but we have already chartered a course-based road track club, a course-based in-track club, and a satellite club. So here the young leaders are trained and empowered to take action. These youth who have achieved remarkable milestones, including the development of an online chat bot that provides essential information about organ donation in 9 different Indian languages. We thought it's very important to reach out all over India in the different regional languages. They've also attempted comprehensive workshops covering the medical and legal aspects of organ donation and transplantation, empowering them with the knowledge to educate others. This is our aim through the YODA clubs. And now these young change makers are taking it forward, organizing independent seminars, webinars in institutions all across India. Their efforts are not only raising awareness, but also building a future generation that values the gift of life through organ donation. So we have some very, very active members. Of course, our president, Dr. Sudhakar, is here, along with, Anil Srivatsa, who actually put this whole thing together. We have Hemali Ajmera, Kirti, Saji, and Dr. Archana. These are the spearheadings. We are all the back-end workers. We just work behind them. We listen to what they say, and that's what the members do. Both these initiatives, the Organ Donation Awareness Initiative and the Lift Up Project, remind us of the profound importance of, working together. Through education, empowerment, and action, we can save lives and inspire others to join us. So it is our commitment, the Rotary Club of Organ Donation, in making the world healthier and a kinder place. Please join us on this journey Now, the most importantly, together let us uphold the Rotary motto of service above self and bring the magic of Rotary into the lives of those less fortunate than us. By working together, let's ensure that no one dies waiting for an organ in India. And the crisis that is looming in our country is tackled by us. And by us, I mean us Rotarians, by saving one life at a time. Now, we have a few members of our club, and they are a standing testimony of the gift of life. Can I please ask Himali Ajmer, Sandeep Kaimal, and Saji Francis? They are all organ recipients. Please come up. That's Sandeep, Saji Francis, and Himali Ajmer. They're all recipients, working very well together. And this is this is the gift of life. So it is very important to take this cause forward. How do we? Himali is the president-elect of our club, the Rotary Club of Organ Donation. And how do we come together? Funds, of course, collaboration, which means partnership, and global grant, CSR, and be a friend of our club or become a member. So whatever info you want, we have a stall, which is stall number 7. Please come there. We are all there to help you understand what organ donation is all about and how to gift life to another person. We also have a book written from our club, which gives you a complete, guide to what organ donation is all about. So thank you so much. I would like to thank the district governor. Thank you so much for giving us this time and explaining what our organ donation club is all about. Thank you.